Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm showing you everything that I cook in 24 hours. Hope you enjoy. And for breakfast I'm making bacon, egg and cheese. I cook up some crispy bacon. I like it really nice and crispy. I'm melting down my butter so that way the eggs can be nice and fluffy as well. I add a little bit of milk in my eggs, just a dash, nothing crazy. When I was adding the cheese, I was like, oh my goodness, I think I put too much. But is there ever too much cheese? Mango pineapple juice with some crushed ice in it. I didn't have any rolls, so I ended up just using hamburger buns. And honestly, it still hit the spot.
Extra bacon. And obviously, coffee.
Making lunch. Now for lunch I made dino nuggies for Bugs because she's not gonna eat hamburgers. And for us I made burgers and fries, and then we had a side of watermelon with it. So good. Now it is dinner time and I have to start cooking, and I was craving some comfort food, so I am making breaded steak. The seasoning I'm using is the Italian seasoning. This time I had no more panko. I kind of burnt that one. That one's good. I'm going to start making my tuna salad. I put onion in my tuna pasta salad because my kids don't mind the onions. They don't like the celery in it. Here is my creamy tuna pasta salad, and here is my dinner plate, and I have a side of pineapple. And I love eating fruit with my dinner in the summer. It just makes it so much fresh. And because every good food day deserves something sweet, we ended the night with strawberry shortcake for dessert. Nothing fancy, just a day of feeding my family and enjoying good food together. Thank you for hanging out with me.